Well, I tell you this, I bet I get to the bottom of it. I take this badge off and get to the bottom of it. I don't work for the law.
Okay,
the law works for me. I promise you, I've been smelling something in this department for a long time, and I'm gonna get to the bottom of this.
What the hell?
Oh,
what is that?
Man.
No, 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 no. Okay. No, what are you doing?
I'm saving you, amigo. Don't worry.
Oh, freeze, goddammit! Don't you even think about it!
Stop
It's
this
an old-fashioned
car
escape
right
mission, buddy.
Now, stop this car.
Oh,
What the doing?
oh,
What doing?
oh,
The lady cop, that's the murderer. Go, go.
What?
That's the lady
What do you
cop.
mean? Then who's that?
I don't know. Ah, they're shooting. Oh my God, they're shooting.
I can't see the slushy.
Turn on the wipers.
It's not working.
Well, kick out the window. Isn't that what they do?
I don't know. How do you drive with one foot?
I don't know. Oh, man.
Ow! I think I pulled my groin.
Get your butt out of there. He's getting us, man. He's behind us.
Our car's better.
Get your leg out of there, man. Seriously.
I can't.
Put it in the maximum overdrive.
Ah!
Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no. Oh,
Ow!
get it out.
Ow! 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 Jesus, I can't see!
Whoa. Whoa. Danger. Danger. Trees. Squirrel.
Hey, I can see through my leg hole.
Nice. Look out. Tree.
Got it.
You did it, man. All right. Look out.
Oh,
I'm scared, Saul. I'm scared.
don't worry, man. I'm handling this.
We'll do something.
All right, hold on. I got an idea.
Oh, oh. Go. Oh, what the was that?
I'm sorry. I thought you'd just go past.
Why?
I don't know.